Now I introduce how to connect the dynamometer and motor test system and DC regular power supply. First, this is motor testing system. This one is the power line. You connect the power. Then this one, the middle one connect the DC regular power supply. This is DC output. This one have a clamp connector to the motor controller. Red connector to red, black connector to black. Then you see this is motor power line connected to the controller. And also they have two contactor here. This two line is from motor testing system. Then we connect here. 帮我接一下。Now, all connector is done.